welcome back to Lee's Tech Room, or welcome to Lee's Tech Room if it's the first time you're here. And if it is, thanks for coming. And if you're already familiar, then thanks for coming back. So this is a video all about this Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 Ti, obviously to go in my gaming PC, which I've just built. And if you are interested in looking on what I've done and how I built it and what's in it, then I'll leave a tag up here so you can have a look at that. And then obviously rush back to here so you can see this video. Okay, so we've got the 4060. Just to say, this is the first like proper graphics card I've ever bought. I mean, I built a gaming PC a long time ago, but it was, you know, I think it was like it had a 1 or 2 gig graphics card. It was quite a long time ago, good 15, maybe 20 years ago. So it wasn't that great. It was good at the time, it was pretty good, but it was a long time ago, and now it just got so much more better at making all of our stuff, haven't we? So this is 8 gig. It was actually 16 gig, and I didn't see any point in getting a 16 gig. You know, it seems like it's too much. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments if you think I should have got a 16 gig. Obviously it's a lot more expensive, but hey, anyway. So what have we got here? We've got here we go. We've got 3 fans. That's the thing. I didn't know whether to get a 2 fan or a 3 fan. The 2 fans, I read that they are quieter because they're bigger. The 3 fans are better for cooling. So I went for better cooling. Maybe it's going to make better gaming. So we've got lots of things here. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. So there's lots of things to look at. Wind force, ray tracing. Yes, okay. Well, let's just get into it, shall we? Let's just open it up and crease the box. I creased the box. Never mind. I'm opening it upside down. Doesn't matter. Okay, so that is the box. Empty. Gigabyte. I like it. Da, da, da. Okay, so we've got the documents quick guide. We shall look at that in a moment. Oh, look at that, it's huge. Wow. Let me just take it out. Oh my goodness, look at it. Anything else in there? Nope, that is it. That is everything that's in the box. Yikes. Let's just put that down there. Look at the size of that thing. That's just crazy. How do we get into it without... Huh. Yep. Yep. Where's that one being a tough lighter? There we go. So it's not a huge unboxing experience because there's not lots to see. But there's a... Wow, look at that. That is a nice looking graphics card. I don't think there's any RGB lights on it though, which is a little bit of a shame, but I have a plan for that. I'm going to get, actually, no, I won't tell you that. I'll wait. I'll make you wait for the part 2 of the gaming PC build. That's cool. It's got plugs on the ports. Very cool. So we've got 2 HDMIs and 2 display ports. Gosh, it looks really nice, doesn't it? Eagle. Silent. So there's a plug that you plug it in. And then, yeah, okay. Spinny, spin, spin, spinny, spin, spin. Nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so not a massive unboxing experience, but that was fun. And what I also got as well, you probably might have noticed that this, so let's lighten it up. So this goes onto the, I thought it was magnetic. How do we? Yeah, it's magnetic. You'll see. So that goes onto the base of the computer, and you extend that, and then when you put the graphics card in, it sits on it like that, so it doesn't bend the PCIe slot. It's very clever. And you can get different ones. You can get RGB ones, and you can get lots of different types, but it's only £5. I thought I'll just get that for now because I spent enough money on the graphics card. So, okay. So there we go. That's that. Well, that is the unboxing. I think what we're going to do now is we're going to go and lob it in the computer and give it a go. See you in a sec. Right now, as you can see, I've got the this graphics card in there already. So we need to. Like so, and then take them off. Which we'll need to use the clip. Okay, there we go. So there's that one gone. Get rid of that. Okay. Are we ready? No, we're not ready. Yes, we are ready. We've got two gaps, and there's two on there. We need to take the panel off the cover, and then I'm hoping that cable is going to be okay. I'm trying to get my head in the way. Gosh, it takes up a lot of room. There we go, clicks in. There we go. Simple as that. We do need to plug it in though, and what we need to do is I need to wrap it underneath because we need to get the cable. This is the PCIe cable, which plugs straight into there the right way. Goes straight into there like that. But we need to find a way to wrap it. Right, so this is the finished product. As you can see, I've changed the cable now. I've got a new cable, which I will link in the description below. So that looks a lot neater than the one that comes with it, because you can see I was struggling to make it look any good. But now I've got that one on, which goes straight into the bottom there. It's a shame I haven't got anything to cover that up there because it looks atrocious. So I will at some point get that covered up. But yeah, the new cable on there looks amazing, and I've got a new cable on the main board over there as well. And you can see that one there. That's looks amazing as well. So yes, the graphics card is now set up. It's got the stand on it, and R2D2 is looking really proud. All right, so let's go and have a look at what it's like at gaming. See you in a sec.
Enemy removed. Mover. Gotcha. Get down, frag.
So in front. Throw it back.
Tossing flash. Snuff them out. Enemies free. 5 kills. It was only a kill.
So then, working.
Arcades are going hot.
Going up. Semtex.
Using scout pulse. Hostile shooter.
Three to go. Last lap.